Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some winnings from Lynn the Gift Diva. And when I say this box is jam-packed, it can't even hardly fit underneath my camera, but I just wanted to show you some of these little goodies that are sitting in here. I have not seen it, although I did see it on her channel, what she gave away, but I just want to get into it and show you, so I'm going to move the box out of the way. Give me one moment. So let's get into this box here. It's gorgeous. You see all these little gems and how she has that bow there. Absolutely stunning. Love that. So let's go ahead and open that. She velcroed it, so give me just 1 second. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. She has some more gems on the inside. Absolutely stunning. Oh, look at these beautiful cards. Beautiful. Love every single thing about you. That is gorgeous, and it's nice and thick. Look at that little inside of there. Just stunning. Love the acorns that she has around there, or pine cones. Acorns. That's a pine cone. Just beautiful though. And then look at this one. Thinking of you. These are stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all the gems she put around there. Way to use that paper. So pretty. And then look at the inside. She embossed here and then has a place there for you to fill out. Really, really pretty. I've never embossed the inside of paper that goes on the inside. That's something I might have to start doing. Love it, love it, love it. And on the back, she has handmade for you by the Gift Diva. So pretty. Oh, and then this one has wood veneer on there. And then look at there. That is so pretty. And I think this is a glitter foam that she put there. So pretty. And then there goes that there. These are stunning, Lynn. Thank you so much. And then this here, here's to you. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Another foam glitter leaf there. Beautiful. Check out the inside of that. Oh, love those little stickers there. Just gorgeous. And then she also has some envelopes for each one. And she also, I don't know if this is the way this was or if she added it on there. I think that's, I'm not sure. It might be one of those, the ones you scratch on top. I'm not for sure. But really, really pretty. Look at this one. Gorgeous. That is gorgeous. This one's, I want to say a sticker. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so cute and so creative. I love it. And then this one. Okay. So that's what she had in that little box. And so we're going to do this one next. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that is stunning. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh my gosh. And I know there's a straw that go in with this because I've seen it. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love that. That's gorgeous. There goes the straw. Right, let's see. I think I got it out. It did get a little bent in the shipping, but we'll try and straighten that out. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And so anyways, this is stunning. Had to go quiet down the grandkids. But look at that. These are some of like the little beads and things that she had in the box. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I wish I could get it all in here, but I don't think you can see it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, love it. Okay, let's get into this. All right. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Oh, look at there. Beautiful, beautiful. And I don't know if you can see it all, but this says, you are the queen bee. And here goes some of the items she has. These are keychains. Love those. Hey, hello, pumpkin. They're the same way on each side. Really, really pretty. If you hear some noise, it's my grandchildren. I was trying to quiet them down, but it doesn't look like they're going to be quiet. But look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, too cute. Look at the little chocolate chip cookie. Just so pretty. And then there goes this here. Look at that in the inside. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous work, Lynn. Gorgeous work. Oh, look at this mouse. mouse pad. I really love that. It's nice and thick. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Fall is my favorite season too. Everything is just gorgeous. And then she also has this in here, which are some they're kitchen cloths. Pumpkin patch, pick your own this way. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, it'll look pretty at around Thanksgiving time. That, which is next week. Meet me at the pumpkin patch. Beautiful. Okay, then on this side, we have Life is Sweet Like Honey. This is gorgeous. Look at all that detail. And it was the same way on the other side too, if you can see me pointing. Just beautiful. So in here, she has some cups. Oh, what a beautiful way to gift some tea. Oh, that is just so nice. Look at that. Green tea. I don't know what the other, herbal tea, and Bohemian sour sop. I think that's what that says. Not sure, but that's really pretty. And then look at this one. Autumn greetings. So pretty. Both of these. Just stunning work. Stunning work. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh my gosh. And then here goes this here. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my Lanta. That is stunning. Oh my goodness. Lynn, did you do this too? Has stitching around here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my Lanta, the color. Oh my gosh, it just pops right out at you. Are you catching that? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then there goes that. It is stunning. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And so that is what she gave to me. So make sure you go over and follow Lynn, and I'll have her link down below. Make sure you go over, subscribe, tell her I sent you, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.